Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Christian is practicing to participate in an upcoming marathon. He runs 4 kilometers every day. What is the total distance he covered in the month of October? Now we know number of days. Number of days in October is equal to 31. Now Christian was practicing daily and he runs 4 kilometers every day. So in October he ran 31 multiplied by 4 kilometers, which is equal to 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. So 124 kilometers he ran. This is the answer.